Yeah, no, ground cinnamon from the 99-cent store.
99 cents only store.
Straight up cinnamon.
You're not gonna.
I would have a little more.
Yeah.
Think so?
See, look.
There's no waste.
Well, I don't want to waste it.
It's not even getting wet. Oh, it takes hella long.
Is that good? Or more?
Yeah.
Alright. I got my water. I got this right here. Alright. You ready? Alright, so just straight up swallow it.
Yeah, that's it. Good luck. You're going to cough and shit.
And you're gonna throw up.
Here.
Hopefully you do.
Ready?
I told you.
He's about to grab the cinnamon. Told you.
Oh my. Why did they do this? I'm serious right now. Oh my gosh. My eyes are watering up right now. Bell.
Does it still burn? It's just a nasty taste, huh?
It's not even that, man. Man, this is clumped up in
My
my
throat. Yeah, it was a nasty taste. I didn't think it was gonna be that bad.
It's like powder. Here, honey. You want a cookie? Here.
And grime.